Are you working?
Yes.
Are you working from home?
Not touching.
No touching?
Not touching. No.
Okay, no touching. Come on, let's go. Go na sa pram
I'm
park.
working, Mommy.
Oh, you're working, but you have to go now. You have to go in the pram.
No, I'm working.
Okay, bye-bye. See you when we get home, okay?
My daddy come back. And say,
Huh?
let's say I do that this.
You're the dentist?
Yes.
Yes. I'm very excited yung atin nyo kasi nakatanggap tayo ng package!
Toys.
What's inside now?
Toys are there.
Toys? Hi guys! Good afternoon! Welcome back to our channel! Unsa ka na? Lunch break na namin guys. Before kami nakaalis, may dumating na parcel for Daddy Mike. So ating i-open. Ay, i-open na pala. Wow! Shoes! Whose shoes is that?
It's Mommy's.
It's all the mommies. Akala niya for mommies guys. Kaya tingnan nyo.
No, my
Pink.
daddy's.
I don't think it's mommy's snack.
You like it?
Oh.
Oh,
Yeah, it's nice. It's different guys. Tingnan nyo.
It's baby shoes.
It's pair of shoes.
Pair of shoes, no, it's daddy's shoes.
It's too big for you, honey. Baby?
Yes.
Like it?
Wow. Yeah, it's nice. Do you like it, guys? Tingnan nyo. White tapos may pink lang na ano. Panglalaki talaga to siya. Hala, pasensya na ang aming mga labhon nun, oh. Oh, it's daddy's snack. Try it on quickly, daddy.
No.
Huh?
No, I'll try that. I've got it back.
Yeah. Alright. Now we gotta go, guys, because we have to go for a walk sa aming lunch break. Ito ang ating pa-outfit, guys, sa ating walk. I've got my Adidas na hoodie and then my white my white high-waisted pants, jeans, whatever you call it. And then yung aking shoes. Ayan. Alis na tayo, guys. Bye! Bye, sanak! Bye-bye! Ito ang ating baby girl na nakaboots. Bye!
Bye.
What are you doing? Are you working?
Yes.
Are you working from
Not
home?
touching.
No touching?
Not touching. No.
Okay, no touching. Come on, let's go. Go na sa pram
I'm
park.
working, Mommy.
Oh, you're working, but you have to go now. You have to go in the pram.
No, I'm working.
Okay, bye-bye. See you when we get home, okay?
My daddy come back.
Mommy, Daddy, and come back. Yes. Are you gonna stay here?
Okay.
Okay, bantay ka balay ha. Kabasan kawaton atong balay.
Now it's a book.
We're out. Out and about. Very sunny siya today. Daddy, say hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Nakamask na ang ating Daddy Mike. Check the mailbox quickly. Ang ganda ng araw. Oh, something for Mommy. Hello. Daming dumating today ba? We'll see what's in here. Oh, it says socks. Ito siguro yung ano, socks ni... Ah, hindi. Socks ko pala to. Oh, check. Have a look at this
Some
one.
toys.
Yan guys, oh. Super sunny siya guys. Super ganda ng araw. Pero, nilagyan ko ng ano eh, makapal na jacket on top of my hoodie. Kasi sobrang ginaw ng hangin ba. Ng breeze. Hi! Give
Hi.
some to tita and tito. Give. So, palakad-lakad lang kami. 45 minutes na break. So, punta pala ako ng post office guys. Ayan, oh. Kasi, may nabenta na naman si ate nyo. Kailangan kong i-post. Iba na talaga ang business ng ate nyo. Mabuhi na jud ko ani ba? Kaya kabalo na kong business. Hi guys! Good afternoon! Ngayon ay very excited yung atin nyo kasi nakatanggap tayo ng package! Yay! Hindi ko talaga to in-expect guys. I'm very excited na i-open to. Malaman natin kung ano yung laman ng box na to. So i-open na natin ngayon guys para malaman na natin. See? Are you excited na?
Yes.
Maraming salamat sa nagpadala nito.
Little toys.
Yay!
My toys.
What's inside now?
Toys right there.
Toys?
Wanna buy these cakes?
We've got a card. Oh, it's personalized. It
It's
says, you've got this, dear Jovi. Thanks for all your hard work and positive attitude during these challenging times. Remember, tough times never last. Tough people do. Wow, that's so sweet. Alam nyo guys, galing pala to siya sa sa trabaho ko. Sobrang sweet talaga ng work ko guys. Galing to siya sa work kasi nalaman namin kaninang umaga. Surprise sana to. Hindi sana namin alam na may paparating. Tingnan nyo. Pero, yes honey. Kaninang umaga kasi it's big. Kaninang umaga kasi nag-video call meeting kami. Tapos, while nagmi-meeting kami, dumating yung isang box sa isang colleague ko. Tapos doon nalaman namin na meron pala kami. Lahat kami pinadalhan nila. Wow! What's in here, Nak? Sobrang thoughtful talaga ng company namin, guys. Very lucky talaga ako ba. Tingnan niyo.
Happy birthday, Paris.
Open up. Help. What? Guess what, Daddy?
Food.
Yeah, but it looks like this. Yeah! Have a look at this.
That's toys.
Toys! What's that?
Check it out.
Let's toys them. Oh, have a look. There's a plant.
But what's red?
Get the Paris?
Here, anak.
No, there's one. Hockey.
We've
Cookies.
got... Oh, what's this one, Daddy?
Happy day cards.
52 affirmation cards.
Oh, it's a cookie, is it? Is that a yummy cookie?
Oh, what's this, Daddy?
Affirmation cards.
What's that?
Have a look. It's like, it'll tell you. Open it up.
May ganito, guys. Oh, ay, kita ba?
What kind?
Yan.
Phone.
Yeah, have a look.
These are phones.
Okay. Maganda siya, guys. Mga pampasitive talaga ba?
And this
Mga cards siya na may may mga positive quotes. Si dito, first one. Ayan, oh. Nakita ba?
there.
Ayan. Ay, hindi siya kita. Positive thoughts generate positive feelings and attract positive life experiences.
And you can put it in here.
What's that? Like that?
Yeah.
And then?
Oh, it's just when you can change them.
Look. Very nice. The second one be? Something good comes out of everything.
Wow, Paris. Yeah.
Next one. Life is always working out for me. Oh, positive thoughts talaga. Every day, in every way, I am getting fitter and stronger.
Well done.
Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. Kanigid, guys. Oh, very nice. I am enough. Yeah, what's next, Nakbi?
Wow,
What's this?
One time.
Oh, candle. Yes, this is so me. Hala, makita ba siya? Hindi ba siya Ekoya.
This one.
Ekoya? Sweet pea and jasmine. Smells so good. What's next, Nak? We've got mini treat box for assorted milk and dark chocolates. Ayan, meron tayong chocolate. Oh, we've got... What's this?
Good cookie.
Nuts. Nuts. Ayan.
And for Daddy.
What's this?
It's butter.
Sparkling water.
Yeah, but it's also like you can
Fill it up?
keep it, yeah.
With this drinking water.
This sparkling water. Is this Voss?
Okay. So you can keep it.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, my company. Wow, my company. Social. Hindi nila sobrang salamat talaga. Hindi naman nila ito makikita. Kay Tagalog man tayo. Hindi nila maintindihan. Golden passion fruit shortbread biscuits.
Want
Ayan.
chocolate?
Nilabas na ni Paris.
You want chocolate?
Ayan.
You want
Wow.
Okay.
Wala,
Yes.
sobrang thoughtful ng company ba? Very nice talaga nila na Itong card na to ba, oh? Very nice. Tough times never last, tough people do. I love that saying. Kasi nga, di ba, we've been working from home for a while now. And
We'll give you a
it's a very good feeling na na-appreciate ng company yung hard work nyo. And yeah, my company is, you know, the best talaga pagdating sa mga ganyan. Kasi they're very like family-oriented na kumpanya ba. Na, cookie na!
No, I want
Super
it.
nice naman nila, oy. Hindi talaga namin to in-expect ba? Ayan. Hala, picturean ko muna kay isend ko sa kanila. Si Paris na excited sa chocolate. No. Yeah. What's that?
Show the camera. Show.
Show the camera a bit. Wow, there's chocolate for Paris.
Apple?
Yeah, say thank you, Tito.
Okay, Tito. It's finished.
Thank you. Naglaway. Oh, she's not like anything.
Huh?
She's drooling already. Itong kumpanya namin ba, may mahilig din sa pa-surprise talaga.
Sure.
Super cute. Show them knock your chocolate
this one.
be.
No.
Very healthy.
This one. This one. You can have one.
Pink water.
The box.
Sparkling.
Well, you can only have one.
No.
Ah, yummy. Yummy sa water. Wow. Pero kahit konti lang talaga guys, no? Kahit thank you lang galing sa kanila, okay na talaga sa akin guys. But parang bonus na talaga to na meron silang mga paganito. They're very sweet. Thank you talaga sa nag-sponsor. Salamat sa aking boss. It's 5 o'clock na guys. Tapos na tayong mag-work. Dito tayo sa kwarto kasi tinatry ni Daddy Mike yung shoes niya. Ang bata ang nabulingit sa chocolate, oh. Nak. Show me your face, babe.
Funny.
It's funny. Yeah, you look funny. You're still very beautiful, anak.
It's like chocolate that.
It's mommy's chocolate. You ate it.
Oh my god.
What's the size of that one, Daddy?
9.
Let's eat it.
Why is it not fitting?
You probably have to undo the laces first.
Oh my chocolate is gone.
Undo the lace.
You have to do that every time to wear it.
Huh? Tingnan mo, guys, oh. Sobrang ganda ba? Pink.
What does it say? What is this?
Nahihirapan si Daddy Mike na isuot kasi very stiff pa siya, guys. Yan. Sobrang liit ng kanyang entrance ba? Virgin na virgin, katulad ni Mami. Probably not. Does it look good with the tights, Bob? Uy, panlabay naman yung cellphone nga. Ah. Cool. It will look nice with jeans. Okay. Oh. Bigyan natin ng 360. Ay. Cute. It's nice. Anak, naanapod ka diha, anak.
No, I'll never do what.
Are you planking?
Ang bata. Tingnan niyo ang ating baby girl, guys. Naglalaro siya ng ano, track down niya. Yung box. Where are you going, Nak?
I'm going to the beach. The car.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the beach.
You're going to the beach?
I'm going to the car.
Oh, wow. Is this your car? Wala, gisi na. Nyang. Bulingit man ka, Nak. Oy, wipe your face, anak ka.
Miss Chase, a jacket.
Oh, you have your baby with you. Are you taking your baby to the beach?
This baby sit down and mommy is the beach.
Oh, shush. Baby, sit down. Okay. I'll see you in the beach, Paris.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. I love you.
I'm a forget.
Where's your food? Are you gonna bring food with you to the beach?
Okay, I'll get the beach of mommy's car. Mommy get.
Alam mo si Paris, guys, naglalaro siya ba? Siya lang mag-isa. Pero parang may kinakausap siya. Nakakatakot ka naman, Nak. Oy, sinong kausap mo, Nak? It's Lola. Andiyan na naman si Lola, guys. Oh. Sa Lola? Say hi, Lola.
Hi, Mama.
Wave ba, wave?
Finish.
Yeah. Ito pala, guys, sparkling water. Tinry ni Paris. Sabi ni Paris, it's not water. Nak, drink na ko. It's water, manak.
No, I'm the pepper down there.
Ah. Finish?
mommy. Yes, huh?
Huh?
Sick?
Are you sick? I'm sick.
Mommy sick.
I'm not sick.
I'm sick, mommy.
I'm masik ikaw imong taplokon.
I'm sick.
Am I okay, doctor? Am I okay? Talk to the camera.
I'm sick.
Mommy sick?
My sick on a pizza.
A what, nak?
I'm not a pizza.
The temperature? Did you check my temperature?
It's sick.
Okay. Check again? Will you check again, be?
I'm sick.
Check niya temperature ko, guys. Ah. Okay. Finish?
Yes.
Is Mama okay?
Okay, water.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
Okay, the water.
Oh, you get the water. Where's the water?
Water was there.
Where is it? Kakasampay ko lang pala ng mga damit na nilabahan ko, guys. At ngayon ay si Daddy Mike ay nasa sa garage. Nag-gym siya. Tapos, ako ngayon ay mag-ano lang. Tingnan nyo, oh. Kasi nagsampay na ako. It means meron na namang mga na-dry na. Ayan. Kaya, tutupiin natin. Habang naglalaro tayo with Paris. Kasi kailangan niya ng kalaro.
How is that?
Where's your glasses? Where's your glasses?
This is
What's the color of your glasses now?
blue.
Blue. That's right. Be, look at Mommy.
Oh, I'm dirty.
Did you drop it?
Yes.
Let's the other way around, manap. Bali. Bali. Indaya. Bali mong antipara.
Let's say I'm the dentist.
You're the dentist?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, do you want to be a doctor or a dentist?
And dentist.
Dentist. Yeah. Why would you like to be a dentist, honey?
Melbourne. A picture.
Huh? Check the temperature.
Up the bend is that is
Now, when you're a dentist, you're looking after the teeth.
Are you my dentist? I'm a doctor.
Are you a doctor or a dentist?
I'm a doctor.
A doctor now. Natalian, hindi mo mag-change yung mind ako eh.
Oh, I dropped it.
You dropped it.
Yeah. Oh, I dropped it. Oh, I dropped it.
Wala ilong nak eh. Kasangitan ni mong antirapa. So, there you go. You got it. Well done. Gubutas yung buhok na ko eh.
Oh.
Mura ka kag one eye na.
Well.
Hi guys! It's now 6 o'clock ng hapon. Ng gabi. Ng hapon. At tayo nasa kusina na kasi magluluto na tayo ng dinner natin. Ang lulutuin ko ngayon is itong magpapansit bihon tayo guys. Kasi may naiwan pa akong isa nito. And then, meron tayong mamasitas na pansit bihon. And yung isasahog pala natin dito ay itong pork. Ayan. Kasi sinabi ko kay Daddy Mike na shrimp yung, ang tawag ito, yung isasahog ko. Pero ayaw ni Daddy Mike for some reason. I don't know why. So, yung pork na lang. And then, meron tayong, tingnan nyo, ito lang talaga yung binili ko sa, ano ba, sa grocery. The other night. Yung beans. Hala, may hapra, oh. Kasi hindi ko naman lulutuin lahat. Kunti lang yung kailangan ko. At pag naiwan ko siya sa fridge, hindi siya magagamit. Masisayang lang. Tapos meron tayong mga carrots na maliliit. Hi, Daddy. Nalready ko na ang ating mga ingredients. Ayan. So, meron tayong pork dito. Ang tawag dito, onion, beans, cabbage, and then carrots. So, ngayon ay magluluto na tayo ng ating kanin. Rice is life. Meron pang naiwan sa ating bigas from last time, guys. So, yung lulutuin natin ay 2 baso. Ayan, isa. Kasi madali lang namang lutuin yung pansit bihon, guys. Mabilis na siya maluto ba? Tapos yung bacon ay lalagay natin dito. Then, we'll put hot water. So, si Daddy Mike naman, guys, hindi siya fussy sa mga niluluto ko. Kaya, I'm very happy with that. Tingnan niyo ang ating bata. Binigyan ko ng yogurt. Nilagay niya sa kanyang mukha. Akala siguro niya cream. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang mukha, oh. Hi, friends. What did you do, anak? Hala. Okay, mag-shower ka tonight, ha? Mag-shower ikaw tonight. Hala, naunsa naman ikaw na ko, eh. Yung ginagawa niya kasi pinabayaan namin doon sa sa sala, kumakain ng yogurt. Ginawang moisturizer. Ala, bata. Hi guys, it's now 7:10 ng gabi and tingnan nyo, luto na ang ating pansit bihon. Ayan, so I'll let Daddy try it kasi I think nalagay ko yung, ano ang tawag dito? I think nalagay ko yung noodles na medyo hard pa siya ba? Tapos namala na siya. So, I'm worried na baka hindi pa soft yung noodles. So, pinatry ko kay Daddy Mike. Sabi niya, okay lang naman. Ang sabi ko, don't you think it is hard? Sabi niya, I'll show you what's hard if you like. Hindi ang talaga dito si Daddy Mike. Rated SPG yan siya palagi. So, ready na natin ang ating dinner, guys, para makakain na tayo. And we'll see you again very soon. Show the monkey face. Say hi, guys.
Okay, na ambush.
Ambush. So, guys, it's now 10 o'clock. And kung napapansin nyo, naka-off na yung lights dito sa kwarto. So, yung ginagamit namin ngayon is yung ring light lang. Kasi itong bata na to, pinatulog ko na. Kasi nga, diba, may childcare siya bukas. 9 o'clock, dapat tulog na to siya. And pinadedi ko. At ngayon ay nagising siya. Hindi talaga siya natulog, guys. Sobrang buhay na buhay pa ang kanyang mata, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh, naka-smile pa. Kaya tinurn on ko na lang ang ating, ring light para i-end natin ang ating vlog. Kasi plano ko sana pag nakatulog siya, tsaka ko na i-end. Pero, ewan ko kung kailan pa to siya matutulog. Kaya i-end na natin ngayon, guys. Kasi it's getting late na talaga. I'll find mommy daw. Gusto ko lang i-welcome ang ating mga bagong subscribers. Welcome sa ating channel. And maraming salamat sa pag-subscribe. And I really hope na na-enjoy nyo yung mga videos natin. And of course, sa ating mga existing subscribers na hindi ako pinapabayaan, pinapanood pa rin yung mga videos ko. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Magsha-shoutout na tayo, guys. And the first shoutout goes to Arlene Hoover from Virginia, USA. Rosana Mansueto, Lolita La Cuesta, LV Montealegre, Lisan Bansil, Janet Gordon, Ye V from Taiwan. Shout out to Earl Kitsi, Aren Panorel, Daya Magallanes, Gemaline Javier. Shout out to Mercedita Oypala from Nook, Greenland. Shout out to Vivian Bayona, Glenda De La Cruz, Sandra James from Las Vegas, USA. Shout out to Malincia Apundar from Bula, Camarines Sur. Neltor Cosmiano Morales. Shout out to Glady Mandanhuyan, Chari Salazar. And also shout out daw to Alexa Suganov at Sakay Eileen Shannon sa Silay City, Negros Occidental. And that's from Chari Salazar from Makati. Shout out to Cherry May Ongayo, Emeline Himao, Lailani Pitorio, Marilu Dasilio, Cain Bernales from London. Shout out to Lilia Vibal, Thelma Estor, Amethyst Drake, Blessed Eva Anasaliv, Lorna Gonzaga, Vivian Bayona, Amelia Gakutan from Italy, Elizabeth Omela from Cavite, Amy Alcairo, Ting Molina, Heidi Pulgo from Tagum City, Davao del Norte, Marvin Agustin from Vigan, Ilocos Sur, Vanch Asibar, Mavel Fernandez, Salvacion Miguel, Nars Reyes, Maricel Torres, Nori Aliada, Mines Haminal from Olongapo City. Shout out to me ASMR, Catalina Ricamora, Wakamatsu Vilma from Japan, Annalie Adana, Mary Ann de Guzman, Madeline Bakyal from Butuan, Annalisa Legaspe, Myla Alonzo, Viuli S, Joseph Daso, Marley Corpus, Queen Survivor TV, Virgie Gabotero, and Joanne Ambe. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye.
bye guys. Love you. Mwah.